Girl, listen up. I have to tell you what happened last night. Picture me, sitting pretty on a weathered park bench, midnight air crisp, city lights flickering softly around us. My hair perfectly in place, chin length and sharp, feeling extra chic like I owned the night. Then this guy, tall, clean cut, that kind of face na parang may secret, walks over holding a book. He sits just close enough pero not too close. We don't speak. Instead, he slides a slim paperback towards me, spine barely brushing my hand. My heart skips a beat. I open it and my note. Just 3 words. Ready for more? I glance up. He's watching, eyes playful, lips twitching, like he knows I'm kilig. I quickly scribble back, slip the note between pages. Our hands meet for 1 second. Warm, electric, before we both pretend nothing happened. Parang slow motion promise, that tiny exchange, so innocent, but my mind's running wild. Kumare, have you ever felt a spark from just one secret note? Would you risk a midnight park just for that thrill? Because honestly, I'm still thinking about it.